Nice.
Welcome in Rwanda.
Okay, let's take one picture. Okay, one picture. One picture.
Please welcome to Rwanda one more time. Nice. What does it mean to you to return to Rwanda for a performance?
Love. Love shows how much Rwanda loves me. They support African music. They support me. I'm grateful, honestly. I'm honored, and I love them more. And one thing I can promise them that I will never let them down. It's gonna be a night to remember.
Nice.
I'm here with 40 people. Trust me when I have 40 people. My jet took 24 people, and I flew the other one commercial, so I have like almost 40 or 39 people, just to make sure that my Rwanda fans have the best night to remember. You know, it's an experience, so it has to be very special.
Leo hii watu wengi wanafikiria kuwa Rwanda hawazungumzii lugha ya Kiswahili. Mashabiki zako ambao wanaelewa lugha ya Kiswahili watarajie nini hasa kwenye concert lako la siku ya kesho?
Honestly, so Rwanda haongei Kiswahili sana, lakini you have to find a proper way of how you can make them love you, how they can understand you. Naongea lugha yao, French, a little bit of Swahili. So you have to be smart on how you can do and what to do in your music so that they can love you, can love your music. That's why not every artist can come to perform here. You need to be very smart when you do your song. You need to be very talented. You need to understand Rwanda assignment.
Nice. Now, Diamond, you have heavily promoted this concert across WhatsApp media platform and of course yours. Why did you push this specific show so intensely?
I love Rwanda. People here got too much love for me. The president, I know, he loves me, supports me so much. And even the other time when I was here, I met him. He's such a good person, and I understand how much Rwanda support and love my music. But they love, like, this is Africa, bro. And when you do something here, it's like you send the message to the world. So they have to get the message that we're in Rwanda, and in here we do amazing stuff, iconic stuff. And I'm here to make sure that we have a night to remember. That's why I've been pushing it to show how much I'm taking this serious. I know sometimes artists can just chill, once you've got paid, can just chill, but this is my home.
Nice.
Rwanda is my home.
Wow, we love that.
So, and I've seen how much you guys have been pushing this.
Nice.
And I have to also support. I have